Hey, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with RE/MAX Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is in the center of Missouri, and of course, the United States.
Today, I'm proud to show you a listing at 3898 Highway 124. Nestled in these trees and sitting on 20 acres, this is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car, custom-built ranch walkout home. Tons of amenities, personal touches, and upgrades with an amazing shop. There's a lot to be seen, so please step inside. Entering on real wood floors, our living room is open, bright, vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace, and is overlooked by this beautiful kitchen. Complete with a beautiful big island, neutral colors, custom cabinets, gas range, and all appliances included. Our eat-in area and this sliding door is one of 2 ways to get to this back deck. Our separate utility room, 2-car garage. Main hall bathroom, also with tile floors, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and now our master bedroom. Tall ceilings, a second way to step out to the back deck, and our master bathroom, dual vanity sinks, tile floors, and a low step-in shower. And this enormous walk-in closet. As we land downstairs and passing this handy closet, our family room is enormous, complete with a wet bar, perfect for entertaining, and this door steps out to our lower level patio and backyard. Our 3rd full bathroom, bedroom 4, and now our 5th bedroom, which is perfect for a bonus room and passes through to this all concrete safe room. And let's not forget about all this storage here in the John Deere room. Let's explore our shop. Heated and cooled, bathroom included, concrete floors, fully insulated, and ready for your hobby. 3898 Highway 124 is tucked back deep in the woods. Secluded amongst the trees, with multiple lakes, tucked away in the woods, fully secluded and private, serenity, and all this could be yours.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. Again, that's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.